Unit 2 is biomolecules and biomolecules and cell biology. This is one of the major scoring unit. Okay, you will find several questions from this unit. Okay, it's very important. And this unit, the basic understanding of this unit will give you an edge in understanding the several units in the latter part called biotechnology is there. Okay, biotechnology part is very important. If you understand the biomolecule part and the cell biology very well, you will be able to understand the other concepts also. Okay, so in biomolecules, what is biomolecules? Can you term?
PCR, genetic engineering,
No, this part, this biomolecules.
molecular DNA.
DNA is not. DNA is what is full form of DNA?
Decarboxylic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Deoxyribonucleic acid. Oxyribonucleic.
So, see, in biomolecules there are different macromolecules that are very much essential for the sustenance of life. Okay, we are alive because of those biomolecules. Okay, means our body is made up of that, and our body functioning is with the help of these biomolecules. Okay, so what are those biomolecules? First is, as you have named it,
Nucleic acid.
nucleic acid. In nucleic acids, DNA
and RNA.
RNA. Then
Proteins.
proteins. It's made up of amino
Amino acid.
acids. Okay. Before going into the discussion of protein, we need to study the amino acids first. Okay. Third,
Water. Water. Nucleic acid, proteins, and water.
molecules.
Hmm.
Water is part of the body. Okay. We are considering macromolecular things in our body. What are the things that our body is made up of?
Nitrogen base.
Nitrogen bases is there. Major groups. We are not going into the details. Okay. Major groups of macromolecules present in our body. Nucleic acid is there.
Proteins.
Proteins is there. We are eating rice. So rice provides us carbohydrates.
Starch. Starch.
Carbohydrates. Rice is made up of starch. What is starch? Starch is a
Carbohydrates.
polymers of carbohydrate. Okay, but do you know what is polymer? Monomer, polymer.
Polymer. Monomer to one carbon.
One.
Polymer
Polymer is
so
large
many.
chain.
So-
Okay, chain of molecules.
Chain.
If you consider starch, it's a large molecule, the polymer of carbohydrate. You can say like glucose, fructose, sucrose, this. Okay, long chain of carbohydrates. Number 4.
Fatty acid.
That is
Fat.
what is missing in my body, right? The fat, right? Fats and what?
Fats.
Fats and glycerols. Okay, so
Glyceraldehyde to glycerols.
no. Glycerols are, yes, you can, fats and oils.
Glycerols and glyceraldehyde difference.
Glycerol and glyceraldehyde both are different. Okay, one is aldehyde group. Okay, the group CHO group is there. Then it will be called as glyceraldehyde. Okay. So one thing is common in all the 4. All of them are carbon molecules. Okay, all of them contains carbons. Okay, so we are living, and the major components in our body is carbon. So whatever, if we burn certain even the burning of wood produces carbon dioxide, right? Because all of the body is made up of these carbon molecules. So nucleic acid, we will discuss DNA and RNA, the structural features of DNA. Okay, so DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. Ribo acid. If you can remember the name, the meaning of that name, you will be able to remember the structure of DNA also. What is there inside the DNA also you will be able to remember. Deoxy means, D means what in science or in chemistry? D means devoid of. Okay,
Devoid of oxygen.
devoid of oxygen means there is oxygen is missing somewhere in the ribose. Ribo means ribose.
Ribose sugar.
Sugar. So oxygen is missing in somewhere in the ribose sugar. So three components of DNA. What are the major components of DNA? Or nucleic acid in particular.
Nucleic acid.
DNA and RNA if we say. Okay. If we say only DNA it's not correct, right? Nucleic acid if we say. What is there? First is your ribose sugar is there. Okay. Secondly,
Ribose sugar.
ribose sugar is there. And
Proteins.
no.
S base. S bond. S to S bond.
You're going in different directions. Just consider components of DNA. What are the things that DNA is made up of? DNA কি কি দিয়ে তৈরি?
Nitrogen base.
Nitrogen base. Good.
Nitrogen base.
Nitrogen base এর মধ্যে কি কি আছে মনে আছে? কয়টা বেস আছে?
চারটা।
চারটা। আমি যদি বলি পাঁচটা?
না এখানের মধ্যে ইউরাসিলের জায়গায় আরেকটা ব্যবহার হয়ে যায় এমটি।
Nucleic acid. When we consider nucleic acid, we need to say that there are 5 nitrogen bases. But if we consider DNA, then there are 4 bases. RNA also having 4 bases, but there is one is different. Okay. So 4 bases basically called A, T, G, C, and U. Right?
Adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, uracil.
Okay. So this is present in DNA. And this is present only in
Iron.
The third component of DNA or nucleic acid is
সালফেট না সালফার একটা সালফাইড না সালফার একটা আছে ফসফরিক অ্যাসিড
or you can say phosphoric acid will be considered as phosphate group. PO4 minus, right? PO4 minus. Right? So these are the three major components of DNA. Okay. So then what could be the structure of DNA? Have you heard the name Watson and Crick? Watson and Crick, the scientists. What was their contribution in science?
DNA part.
They deciphered the structure of DNA, right? The double helical structure. The double helical and single helical.
Single helical RNA. DNA means double helical.
Double helical. You consider this is a helix. Okay. So in RNA we will have only one helical. In case of DNA we will have
Double
this
helical.
double helical structure, right? So, what is the name of this? It's a BDNA. The double helical structure or the structure that Watson and Crick deciphered is known as BDNA. Okay, there are different forms of DNA. You will find aDNA. Okay, you will find zDNA based on in the cell. So we will discuss in details that what are the different forms of DNA and what the characteristics of those different forms of DNA. Okay, so DNA and RNA. We need to remember the structural features of ribose. It's a pentose sugar. It's a
Pentose sugar.
pentose sugar. So what is the pentose means?
5
5 carbon. Okay, the sugar is made up of 5
carbon.
It looks like this. in case of this RNA and DNA, the difference is basically here. Okay, that is here or this. Which one?
Controls.
Have you heard the term called 5 prime? This 5 prime,
3 prime.
3 prime. Okay, means the nitrogen bases are added only at the this. There is a OH. Okay, 3 prime OH group. So this trend will extend this way. Okay, one A is added here. Nitrogen base will be added here. Then the second and the third. Okay, nucleotide base. So here only H and OH is there in case of RNA, and in case of DNA there is one oxygen is missing. Okay, that's why it is not called deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay, so DNA the difference basically means the at the second carbon position there is lacking of oxygen. Okay, this is basically the difference between DNA and RNA. One difference. Another difference is you have already said that the only uracil is present in RNA and thymine is present in DNA. This is another difference. Another difference is this single helical structure and the double helical structure. Okay. So for our exam purposes, we need to remember these basic facts. Okay, facts of these molecules. Okay, the structural features, the ribose, and the basic differences there. Sometimes in question exams they may give you the picture also, drawing of the sugar. Okay, so you need to identify that is it part of DNA, is it part of protein, or is it part of lipids or fat somewhere else. Okay, you need to identify. So you should have a basic idea of the basic structure of those macromolecules. Okay. So next is there. What is the mRNA means?
Monomer RNA.
No, it's
Messenger RNA.
messenger RNA. Right?
Transfer RNA.
Transfer RNA. So কি ট্রান্সফার করে এটা?
RNA একটা সালফাইড বা সালফার পার্ট একটা
Transfer RNA is part of translation. Okay, it's part of translation where this RNA transfers amino acid. Okay,
Yes.
amino acid transfer. Yes, sir. RNA.
RNA ribosome.
Ribosomal RNA.
Ribosome.
Ribosomal
RNA.
RNA. Any
তিনটাই জানাস
এটা পেছো?
এমটি একটা আছে মানে নাই রে
RNA.
মাইক্রো আরএনএ
Micro RNA. Okay, micro RNA. There is research going on this. You know what is genome?
জিন টু
Genome, proteome,
proton genes transcription
transcriptome,
genome শুনছি genome জিন থেকে
gene,
জিন
gene কাকে কয়?
ডিএনএ পার্ট ক্রোমোসোম
Chromosomal part. এর definition কি হবে? How you define gene?
ডিএনএ আইডেন্টিফাই করার জন্য যে মানে যেটার উপর নির্ভর করা হয় সেটা জিন আর কি
প্রোটিন তৈরিতে হেল্প করে। জিন
কেমন
থেকে হবে এমআরএনএ হবে। ডিএনএ থেকে DNA part is gene to mRNA, mRNA to protein. Okay. So after studying the biomolecules, we will go to the cell biology. Okay. Biomolecules, different classes of biomolecules we will study. So let's little bit about this. Gene part of DNA, small part of DNA, not as a whole. Okay. We have a large genome. Okay. Genome is total genetic material present in a particular cell. ওকে, একটা সেলের মধ্যে যে পরিমাণ ডিএনএ থাকবে আর কি সেটাকে বলবো আমরা জিনোম। তো জিন থেকে কি হইতেছে? Have you heard the term called central dogma
সেন্ট্রাল ডগমা
of biology?
Central dogma, short form centromian. Central dogma, short form centromian.
Centromian. Centromian तो chromosomal part. Yes, I think that
Central dogma.
this is central dogma biology. So
DNA mRNA.
from DNA to अगर DNA भाषाটাকে বলছি আমরা
Replication.
replication. From DNA to RNA is called
Translation.
transcription. কি বলছি এটা বলো?
Transcription.
Transcription.
And protein to DNA.
এটা হবে
Order of translation.
translation. হবে translation. ঠিক আছে? তো এই যে অ্যামাউন্ট অফ টোটাল অ্যামাউন্ট অফ ডিএনএ যেটা থাকে একটা সেলের মধ্যে সেটাকে বলছি আমি কি?
Genome.
ঠিক আছে? And this one লেখার ওটা হয়ে গেছে প্রোটিন ইজ
Protein.
ট্রান্সক্রিপশন যেটা
Transcription.
yes transcription after transcription the amount of mRNA okay present in a cell will be known as transcriptome okay TOME represents the overall total amount okay genome and OME genome means total genetic material proteome transcriptome this is a field of research going on nowadays okay so this will be part of molecular biology the unit number 4 or 5 এবার দেখো কত নাম্বার ইউনিট এটা করবে
Unit 2.
না এখানে এটা molecular biology বলে একটা ইউনিট আছে কত নাম্বার নটা পার্ট করব ঠিক আছে এগুলো তো অলরেডি বেসিক একটু জানা আছে হ্যাঁ বেসিক একটু জানা আছে আমরা এখন কথা হলো জিনিসগুলো একটু গল্পের মতো মনে রাখতে লাগবে ঠিক আছে যা কিছু পড়তেছো জাস্ট ইউ আর যেভাবে আমি যেভাবে গল্পের মতো ডিসকাস করতেছি জিনিসটা ইউ শুড বি এবল টু লাইক টক উইথ ইউর সেলফ যে আমি এই জিনিসগুলো এভাবে জানি হয় কনসিডার রেপ্লিকেশন মধ্যে বেসিক একটা আইডিয়া আমার মাইন্ডের মধ্যে থাকতে লাগবে মনের মধ্যে ভাসতে লাগবে জিনিসটা ঠিক আছে ইট শুড যেটাকে বলা হয় ইমাজিনেশন Okay, I always say that biology is all about imagination. If you are unable to imagine the concepts of biology, you will not be able to remember biology or you will not love biology. Okay? Biology জানলে বোরিং লাগবে যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত তুমি ইমাজিন না করতে পারছো বায়োলজি হয় যে বটনিস্ট when we see a leaf একটা লিফের মধ্যে আমরা কত কিছু দেখতেছি ঠিক আছে না আমরা ইমাজিন করতে পারতেছি কি ফটোসিনথেসিস হইতাছে রেপ্লিকেশন হইতাছে ট্রান্সক্রিপশন হইতাছে ট্রান্সলেশন সব কিছু কি একটা লিফের একটা সেলের মধ্যে হইতে জিনিসগুলো না so you should be able to imagine those things so এটা আমরা যখন ওই ইউনিটটা আমরা ডিসকাস করব ঠিক আছে এখন এটার মধ্যে শুধু খালি আমরা স্ট্রাকচারটা নিয়ে আলোচনা করব